Hello, and welcome to today's Alliance Safety Director's Construction Safety Week message. I'm Mike Starner, NECA's Executive Director of Outside Line Safety, and I'm here to talk about line of fire incidents. Line of fire, or LOF, is another phrase for being in harm's way. Line of fire injuries occur when the path of a moving object and an individual's body intersect. Line of fire is a broad category that includes events or exposures to high energy hazards. We can break them down into three main types: called in, caught between, and struck by, which are included in OSHA's Focus 4 hazards for construction. It's important to remember line of fire hazards are one of the deadliest hazards in construction, second only to slips, trips, and falls. As you consider the possibility of line of fire injuries, bear in mind primary ways you and your coworkers can become hurt. Identify line of fire hazards during the pre-planning process. Learn to anticipate how line of fire will develop on a job, task by task. Train workers on how to identify high energy hazards on the job. The energy wheel is a great tool for this. Establish, enforce, and monitor exclusion zones or line of fire from above zones. Take proactive measures to monitor and control any hazards that cannot be eliminated. Keep in mind that many line of fire hazards develop during the evolution of work. What may not be a hazard in one moment may become a hazard after a change in conditions. Caught in, caught between. Caught in and caught between are similar and many times are grouped together, as in the case of OSHA's Focus 4 definitions. Injuries resulting from a person being squeezed, caught, crushed, pinched, or compressed between two or more objects or between parts of an object. This includes individuals who get caught or crushed in operating equipment, between other mashing objects, between a moving and a stationary object, or between two or more moving objects. Struck by. According to OSHA, struck or struck by is defined as injuries produced by forcible contact or impact between the injured person and the object or piece of equipment. Lockout, tagout. Identify and label all sources of hazardous energy. Block or dissipate any stored energy. Lock out and tag out all forms of hazardous energy. Make sure that only one key exists for each of your assigned locks and that only you hold that key. Verify by test and/or observation that all energy sources are de-energized. Inspect repair work before removing your lock and activating the equipment. Make sure that only you remove your assigned lock. Make sure that you and your coworkers are clear of danger points before re-energizing the system. Ensure worker participation in training, hazard ID, and control strategies. Also, we're reiterating this week that it is okay not to be okay. If you need assistance or someone to talk to about mental health, please use the national number 988. They are there to listen and assist you in getting the support that you need.